To sell your property through DHA Marketplace, begin by clicking on the Sell Property option in the menu. First, select your property ownership type. If you are listing your own property, choose whether you want to list it for rent or for sale, and then click Verify. Next, enter your membership number. DHA Marketplace will automatically fetch your account details that you provided during registration. Make sure you use the same number that was used to purchase the property and to create your DHA Marketplace account. If the registered number is no longer active, you must first update it through DHA's Transfer and Record Directorate before using it on DHA Marketplace. If you are listing a property on behalf of someone else after selecting rent or sale, you will need to provide the owner's details on the next page. This includes their membership number, full name, email address, phone number registered with DHA, CNIC number, and residential address. You can give your own email, but mobile number must be the one that is registered with DHA. After this step, the remaining process is the same for both cases. Once the ownership details are entered, click on Verify Property. You will receive a one-time password on the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Verify to proceed. You will then be directed to the Property Details page. Here, select the property type. You can also see property on the map. The map opens in satellite view by default, but you can switch to town plan also. Click Continue to move to the listing details page. Enter your demand price, add a suitable title such as plot for sale, and provide additional information in the description section. Next, click on Amenities and select all the facilities available with your property. Once done, click Continue to Photos and upload clear images of your property. Finally, click on Create Listing. Your submission will be reviewed by DHA authorities. Once approved, your property will go live for public viewing. You can track and manage your listing anytime through your DHA Marketplace dashboard.